everyone. So finally the auction is over and I wanted to know what you guys thought about how we did in the auction. So I thought let me have a quick little chat with everybody before I leave for the airport. So tell me, I know it's a very last minute thing, but what did you think? How did we do? Hi everyone saying hello, 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 hello. Hello, hi. So yes, everyone's still saying hello. So did you guys watch the auction? आपने auction देखा और आपको कैसे लगी पंजाब के new players? So of all the players we got in our team, who are the ones? Who's the number one that you love the most? Let's hear it. I can see a lot of hearts. All right. Hello. सब hello hello ही बोल रहे हैं. All these shadows. Hi. Did you all enjoy the IPL auction? Hi. Hello. Yes. Okay, I know बड़ा last minute पे मैं live आ गई हूँ because हमारे लिए auction जल्दी खत्म हो गया है. Because we bought all the players we needed. There was some crazy bidding wars. But we were lucky to get most of the players we wanted because इस बारी purse था हमारा. We had the money. So tell me, I am very very curious to know from all the Punjab Kings fans, which player are you all most excited to have in our team? Hi, I'm getting a hello from Jyoti Sharma. Hello Jyoti. I'm getting lots of hearts. Lots of love coming my way. I know it's a very last minute live thing, but I thought why not be spontaneous? And please say my name, Bhavna. Use Henriquez wisely. Absolutely. Why we didn't buy Bhaji? Because we ran out of, each team is allowed to have 25 players and we ran out of our slots. People are happy. We got Malan. Yes, we are very happy about that too. David Malan, absolutely. And are all the Punjabis happy with our the new additions to our team? Hanji, you enjoy it? Good. David Malan. Everyone's really excited about having David Malan. हम भी बहुत खुश हैं to have David Malan. I'm looking forward to seeing him play in the red jersey. Wow, it feels good सांस लेने के लिए because the whole auction में मैंने mask पहना हुआ था. Of course, when I was drinking tea and all, I couldn't wear the mask, but it's good to now sit in the room. I have 10 minutes to myself and I thought, why not have a quick chat with all you guys? David Malan. Every big fans of David Malan here. That's really nice to know. Yeah, I'm also excited to see Malan and Richardson play. We're very excited to have Alan too. And Henriquez. Riley Meredith, yes, we're excited to have Riley Meredith. He's a fast bowler, so looking forward to some super fast bowling. I've heard he can clock 154 sometimes, so looking forward to seeing him bowl in the red jersey. Expected 11 after auction, तो यार ये सब मैं आपको बता दूंगी तो फिर गेम कौन देखेगा? And I'm not supposed to be saying any of this, so let's wait and watch. This is the question you're supposed to ask the coach and the captain. Why are you not coming in movies? I'm actually going to be coming in a movie real soon. Wait for an announcement. Wait for lots of announcements actually. Coming soon. I told you all 2021 was going to be the year of new beginnings. So lots of new things, lots of exciting news, lots of surprises. इस बार जीतेगी क्या? Well, fingers crossed. इस बार हम ऑक्शन में all out हो गए. तो let's see. We went all out to get who we wanted. So let's see now आगे क्या होता है. I love you too, Sadeem from Bangladesh. Hargavil, hi. Yes, as all of you are very excited on us getting David Malan, we are also very excited to have him. Hi. We should also. Abhi, you see, we could not go for more foreigners क्योंकि IPL में सिर्फ 8 foreigners की का slot होता है. So we got. Our slot was full. ऐसा कि आपका हुआ. Yes, we're looking forward to see Shah Rukh play. I believe he was really good domestically this season, so I never got to see him play personally, but he was on our list. And this year, we were adamant to get at least 80% to 90% of the players that were on our list. 10% you have to leave to the auction because पता नहीं कब कैसे क्या हो जाता है. So we're excited to have him. Hello, hi. Lots of love to all you guys. Hello, hello. KL तो अब यही है हमारे पास. I mean यहाँ नहीं, मतलब किंग्स के साथ. Hello. Yes, absolutely. Chris Gayle is in our team. And मुझे 5 मिनट की वार्निंग मिल गई है क्योंकि I have to run to the airport. So I'm going to quickly talk for 5 more minutes. And somebody saying Jai Hind. Absolutely Jai Hind. Love to all of you. Lots of hearts coming my way. Love you too. Love you too, guys. Ash Thombre. Oh, thank you for the compliment. I love you. Dimples तो दिखाओ ना. एक ही dimple है पर ये लो. देख लो. Sorry, it sounds really cheesy, but. Say hello to all my fans in Indonesia. I love you all. Hi, hello, hello everyone. All right. So I'm happy to know that everyone's excited with all the new players that have joined the Punjab Kings squad. So hello, hello, hello. Hi everyone. Kitna time hua? Another 2 minutes. 2 more minutes, guys, before I have to leave. Love you. Nice to see you guys too. India कब आओगे? यार मैं इंडिया में ही हूँ. This auction is happening in India. I'm in Chennai. Yes, lot of David Malan fans here, so I'm really excited to see that. Hi. Why don't I play in IPL? I love crazy questions. Kabhi na kabhi. IPL is also wonderful. See, abhi, I mean, it's a joke, but we did get to bid for Shah Rukh. Ding. I'm sending lots of love to everybody out there, guys. I know I don't want to give any lectures and sound boring, but whenever you have the time and chance, please wear a mask. It can really, really help because COVID is started spreading again. And please take it seriously. Yeah, please take it seriously. I don't want to be like the bearer of bad news, but it's important. All of us are socially responsible. Thank you, Simply Mansi. I love you. Big fan. I love you guys. Ambika, you're here. I miss you. Hope you're well. See, now I figured out how to do live sessions so I can actually read comments. Earlier, I used to just stare like one fool going, what's happening? What's happening? But now I've suddenly figured it out. I'm going to wear the grey suit soon, Ambika. With the new logo of Punjab Kings. यार कभी-कभी आप लोग ऐसे सवाल काफी क्रेजी करते हो. IPL cannot have women playing in it. That's why I'm not playing. I love you guys. Okay. Mukesh, you are here too. Cannot wait to come back and see you, my friend. कौन है ये राम राम बोल रहे हैं? मतलब राम राम. I think it's time now to go. I love you guys and thanks for coming in my impromptu Insta chat. And it's nice to see all the Punjab Kings fans are happy with how we did in the auction. Right? I love you all. Now I have to go. और मूवी मैं कर रही हूँ. You'll hear not just one, lots of announcements coming soon. So keep watching this space. Bye guys. Take care. Stay safe. I love you all. Bye. अभी कितनी बार bye बोलूँ?